Ready to unlock Midjourney's hidden potential and transform one image into endless creative possibilities? First, locate the image you want to use as inspiration in your Midjourney Discord channel. This could be something you've already created, or even an image from someone else if they've made it public. Beneath the image, you'll see options like U1, U2, V1, V2, and so on. These let you upscale or create variations. We're going to use the copy image URL option on desktop. Right-click the image on mobile. Tap and hold. Then select copy link. Now, type Imagine in the text input box. This brings up the prompt field. Paste the copied image URL directly into the prompt field, then add a space and type a descriptive prompt outlining the changes you want. For example, if your original image was Evolve, you could add a cyberpunk cityscape, neon lights to reimagine it. Hit enter, and watch Midjourney work its magic. It will use your original image as a reference, blending its core elements with your new prompt to create fresh, exciting variations. Experiment with different prompts to achieve wildly different results. Try changing the art style, adding new objects, or altering the mood. The possibilities are truly limitless. So, go ahead and unleash your creativity. Use this powerful technique to explore new artistic horizons with Midjourney. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI-powered tips and tricks.